Thomas. Dan Wagner makes your order on the Pro Xtreme category. Dale Leeks on the bye run. Now remember, Dale Leeks has not had to race anybody yet today. He had a pro bye round one, has a bye here, so he's going to go quicker than a 4:01 to have lane choice in the final. Back at Bike Fest. Rob Garcia, John Thomas, Pro Xtreme. So 4:01 low EP of the weekend. So David Von Dodd broke the record, he backs it up. Wow. Here's your MaxxECU Pro Xtreme final. How's this one? Rob Garcia from Pottstown, PA, and Dale Leeks in qualifying numbers 1 and 2. Now Dale won at the Spring Nationals, so Dale Leeks has not lost a round of racing on this racetrack this season. Looking to pick for his second win in the XDA and his second win of the year.